Thank you for being here, and welcome to this fifth installment of this 10-part series on fruits. Today, we'll go over the second most consumed fruit on the planet, bananas. This versatile and delicious fruit has some interesting history. We will talk about where they're from, the health benefits banana provides, the varieties, cooking with them, and the possibility of growing bananas at home. So let's jump right in. Bananas are usually elongated and have a slightly curved shape. The peel of a ripe banana is bright yellow, though some varieties may have reddish or green hues when unripe. The flesh of a banana is soft and creamy. It is typically white or yellow depending on the variety. Botanically speaking, bananas are considered berries. Yes, very hard to imagine. Bananas are said to have originated over 10,000 years ago in Southeast Asia, where they were first domesticated in Papua New Guinea. The fruit made its way to India, where different varieties were developed, including plantains, part of the banana family. History suggests it moved to Africa through trade and human migration, where it adapted very well and other varieties emerged. From there, the banana spread across the Americas, including the Caribbean, Central, and South America. The Cavendish variety is the most widely cultivated globally. India, China, and the Philippines are the world's largest producers of bananas. When it comes to bananas, variety is the spice of life. While we're most familiar with the sweet yellow Cavendish banana, there's a world of banana diversity out there. There are red bananas with a slight raspberry flavor, burro bananas with a lemony infusion, and plantains, which are a staple in many tropical cuisines. Each variety has its own unique taste and culinary uses. The most commonly consumed banana globally are the Cavendish banana. It is a cultivar derived from the Gros Michel banana. Its popularity surged in the mid-20th century after the Gros Michel fell victim to the Panama disease. Cavendish bananas are also known for their convenient size, portability, vibrant yellow peel, making them a favorite for snacking. Plantains or plantains, however you want to pronounce it, are often mistaken for bananas. We will discuss them here. They are larger, starchier, and typically used in savory dishes due to their versatility. They are a staple in many tropical cuisines. As plantains ripen, their starch content decreases and sweetness increases. Plantains are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamin A and C, offering a nutritional boost beyond their delicious taste. Red bananas, with their distinctive reddish-purple peel, are smaller than traditional yellow bananas but pack a powerful, sweet flavor with a hint of strawberry. These bananas are a good source of beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. They also contain vitamin C, B6, and dietary fiber. Bananas are often considered a nutritional powerhouse. They are 74% water by weight. In addition, are a rich source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and maintain heart health. Bananas are also packed with vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber, making them a fantastic choice for maintaining overall health and energy levels. Bananas are celebrated for their high potassium content, a mineral crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Potassium plays a pivotal role in regulating blood pressure, counteracting the effects of sodium, and helping to keep arteries flexible. Consuming potassium-rich foods like banana has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke and cardiovascular diseases, making this tropical fruit an important addition. The dietary fiber in bananas aid in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fibers, which adds bulk to stool and help prevent constipation. The soluble fiber also acts as a prebiotic, fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This not only aids digestion but also contributes to a healthy microbial balance, potentially reducing the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Beyond their nutritional value, bananas harbor natural compounds that contribute to mental well-being. The presence of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, can positively influence mood. Additionally, vitamin B6 abundantly present in bananas play a role in serotonin production, a neurotransmitter for its mood regulating properties. So, when you reach for a banana, you're not just treating your taste buds, but you're giving your brain a potential mood boost. Bananas are a source of iron, a vital compound in the production of hemoglobin, a protein responsible for transmitting oxygen to the blood. The presence of vitamin C enhances iron absorption. This makes banana a valuable addition for individuals combating anemia or seeking to maintain optimal blood health. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, the potassium content in bananas plays a crucial role in preventing muscle cramps. Potassium aids in maintaining proper muscle function, electrolyte and fluid balance within cells. Incorporating bananas into your pre or post-workout snacks can help replenish potassium levels and potentially reduce the likelihood of muscle cramps during physical activity. Despite their natural sweetness, bananas have a moderate glycemic index, meaning they have a relatively lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. The combination of fiber and natural sugars in bananas helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable snack option for individuals with diabetes. However, as with any food, moderation is key, and individual dietary considerations should be taken into account. A ripe banana typically has a glycemic index ranging from about 48 to 58. The glycemic index is categorized as follows. Low GI is 55 or less, medium GI is 56 to 69, and high GI is 70 or more. Bananas contain antioxidants like dopamine and catechins, which have been linked to various health benefits, including improved mood and reduced risk of chronic diseases. It's no wonder they are go-to snacks for athletes and health enthusiasts alike. Now let's step into the kitchen to explore the culinary magic of bananas. These versatile fruits can be used in a wide range of dishes, from breakfast to desserts. Here are 3 popular banana dishes and how they are commonly enjoyed. Banana bread is a moist and flavorful quick bread that is made with ripe bananas. It often includes ingredients like flour, sugar, and baking soda. Banana smoothies are a popular option for breakfast or as a quick nutritional snack. They are customizable with additional fruits, greens, or protein powder. Banana pancakes are infused with mashed ripe bananas. They have a slightly sweet and fruity flavor. So, can you grow bananas at home? Absolutely. Growing bananas at home is not only possible, but can also be a rewarding experience. While they are typically associated with tropical climates, several varieties of banana plants can thrive in pots or containers, making them suitable for home cultivation, especially in regions with colder or non-tropical climates. Here's a guide on how to grow bananas in the comfort of your own home. Make sure to opt for dwarf or miniature banana varieties such as the dwarf Cavendish or the super dwarf Cavendish. These varieties are well suited for container gardening and are more manageable in terms of size. If you live in a cooler climate, consider cold hardy banana varieties like Bazju or Musa hardy bananas. These varieties are more tolerant of lower temperatures and can withstand mild frost. Use large, sturdy containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. The size of the container should allow for the growth of the banana plant and should be at least 15 gallons in volume. Use a well-drained potting soil rich in organic matter. Bananas prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. Plant the banana rhizomes, a horizontal underground stem about 2 to 4 inches below the surface. Ensure the growing point, also known as the heart, is above the soil line. Bananas thrive in full sun. Choose sunny locations or provide artificial light if you're growing them indoors. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Bananas are tropical plants and require regular watering. However, they do not tolerate standing water. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Feed your banana plants every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. To attain a warm environment, bananas prefer temperatures between 78 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and above 50 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Also, remove the pups or the suckers that emerge around the base to focus the plant's energy on fruit production. In the absence of natural pollinators, you may need to hand pollinate the banana flowers. Gently transfer pollen from the male flower to the female flower using a small brush. The time it takes for bananas to mature and be ready for harvest depends on the banana variety and the local growing conditions. Generally, the process from planting to harvest takes approximately 9 to 12 months, but this can vary. Neem oil or insecticidal soap can be used for pest control. If you're growing bananas in a cold climate, consider overwintering the plants indoor. Reduce watering and provide sufficient light during the winter months. I could go on and on about bananas, but we must save some for another time. This is not the end of your adventure. Grab some potassium-rich bananas and enjoy their flavor, health benefits, and the history the next time you have a chance. As always, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for the next installation in this series, and give this video a thumbs up if you found the information informative. I'm grateful that you traveled with me through the fascinating world of bananas. Until next time.